Hey friends, welcome back to Fluentcore English. I'm Gwen. Let me ask you something. What if you could improve your English faster, without studying more, without spending extra hours? Would you try it? Because right now, most learners are doing something wrong. They are working hard, but not improving. They watch videos, they study grammar, they memorize words. But when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. And that's frustrating, right? You feel like, I'm trying so much, but why am I not improving? Stay with me, don't skip, because what I'm about to show you can save you months of effort. And yes, this will help you in real conversations and even in interviews. Here's the truth. You don't need more time. You need a smarter way. In English, we say, work smarter, not harder. That means it's better to use the right method than to spend hours doing the wrong thing. And this is where most learners fail. They are working, but not efficiently. Don't skip this part, because if you keep doing this, you will stay stuck, no matter how much time you spend. Now think about your life. You have work, you have studies, you have responsibilities. You don't have unlimited time. So let me ask you again, why spend more time if you can get better results in less time? Here's the most important idea. You don't need to improve your English. You need to improve your weak skills. Read that again in your mind. Not everything, just your weakness. Because right now, you're probably doing this mistake. You are improving things you are already good at. For example, maybe you are good at grammar, but you can't speak. Or maybe you understand English, but you can't respond fast. So what happens? You keep studying grammar, but your speaking stays the same. That's why you feel stuck. And this is exactly why this video is important. Because once you fix this, your progress becomes faster and more natural. Let me show you a real example. I had a student. She was very good at grammar. She knew all the rules, but when she had to speak, she felt nervous. She couldn't express herself. So what did I tell her? I said, stop focusing on grammar. Focus only on speaking. Go out, talk to people, practice every day, even if it feels uncomfortable. And slowly, her speaking improved. Her confidence improved, because she worked on the right skill. And this is what you need to do. Not more study, better focus. Now don't skip this next part, because this is where everything changes. Ask yourself right now, what is my biggest weakness in English? Speaking? Listening? Confidence? Be honest with yourself, because once you know this, you stop wasting time. And this will help you learn faster, speak better, and feel more confident in real situations. Now listen carefully. If you're still watching this, you are already ahead of 99% of learners, because most people skip, but you stayed. So now I want you to do one thing. Go to the comments and tell me honestly, what is your biggest weakness in English? Speaking? Listening? Confidence? Write it. Because when you write it, you become aware, and that's where real improvement starts. And remember, this is part 1. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to fix your weakness, step by step. So remember these 2 things. Work on your weaknesses. Do what you enjoy. If you follow just these 2 principles, your English will improve faster. It will feel easier, and you won't feel stuck anymore. Because the truth is, you don't need more time. You don't need to study for hours. You just need the right strategy. And once you start using the right method, you'll notice something. You understand faster. You respond faster. And your confidence starts growing. And this will help you in real conversations, in interviews, and in everyday life situations. Now listen carefully. If you've watched this video till here, then honestly, you are already ahead of 99% of learners, because most people skip, but you stayed. So now I want you to do one thing. Go to the comments. What is your biggest weakness in English? And what do you enjoy doing while learning? Write it honestly, because when you write it, you become clear. And that's where real improvement begins. And if this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fluentcore English. Because here, you don't just learn English, you start speaking it. And now, tap on the next video on your screen. I'll meet you there.